Now we are going to see about the like operator. So let me write like when like operator is used. So the like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specific pattern in a column. Okay. There are two wildcards used in the like operator. Two wildcards. So let me talk about this wildcards that is oftenly used in this like operator. The first one is the percent sign. First one is the percent sign, or you can call as a percentage sign, this one. And second is your underscore sign. Underscore sign. So this this percentage symbol, it represents 0, 1, or multiple characters, whereas underscore is used to represent one or a single character. We will be doing the hands-on. Just give me a second. Suppose if, let me bring this here. Let me execute this. And if I want to know that what are the values that is starting with R in this product vendor. So I want to filter out the records which are starting with A or R or any other words which are starting with the product vendor. So for that, let me use a like operator that should start any value with the R, for example. That is my requirement. So let me start writing. So I'll use select. I can use a specific column names, or I can use all columns from your table name. Select star from your table name, where where your column, that is product vendor column, like whatever pattern you want. So what pattern you want? So I should get the pattern like all the records which is starting with first letter as R. So for that, let me use a like operator, and then you put R and put a percentage here. So we are going to see in detail about this, but just for example, let me run this. And now you can see you get all the records in the products vendor where the first letter is R. So this will get your first letter with R. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.